Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable alarm clock on the MAXCOM phone. So to do this, first of all we have to click on this arrow. Next we have to scroll down and find function, application. Click OK. Next we have to scroll down to the alarm, click OK to enter. And right now if you want to activate any of these alarms, for example the alarm second, you have to click OK. To turn it off, just do the same. If you want to change date or hours of the alarm, just click on the 5 when it's highlighted on the green. Here we can switch the name of the alarm. So when you tap on the red button, we are gonna clear this one. And we can type, for example, wake up. Then click OK to confirm. Then scroll down to switch time. We can set it, for example, for the 10 AM. So use these buttons right here. We are also able to switch ringtone. To do this, click 5. And we can find fixed ringtones or go to the more ringtones. As you can see, it's empty in my case because I didn't upload any songs right here on the phone. But we can also store and take a look for other audio files. Here we can also set radio ring or recorded ringtone. So you can simply decide. When you select the fixed ringtones, as you can hear, there it is. Let's pick ringtone 4, for example, and here we can pick the repeat mode. So we can click OK to customize, never mind, click 5. And to customize, we have to click 5. And we can pick daily, working days, or once. So you can decide how to set up. Let's pick, for example, daily. So click OK. And click OK one more time to confirm. And as you can see, that's how we can enable or disable the alarm on the MAXCOM phone. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.